A very good day to everyone. Welcome to Happy Learning. This is Kusma. Now we are going to learn some short notes about the cell. We know all living organisms are made up of a small units is called a cell. From the cell only, the total organ system of a body that can made up. That cell is a fundamental unit of life. Why? Because from the cell only the total organism has to be made. In Latin word, the cell is called as a little room. The scientist Robert Hooke discovered these cells in the cork under the microscope for the first time. He called it as a little rooms. Antony von Leeuwenhoek discovered these free living cells in the pond water he observed under the microscope. He was called as Leeuwenhoek, father of microbiology. Robert Brown discovered the cell nucleus. In the cell, nucleus is present and it consists of genetic information. Cell theory proposed by Schleiden and Schwann. Virchow states that all cells arises from pre-existing cells. That means the cells what are present in our body that are arises from the pre-existing cells in the body. These are the some short notes about fundamental unit of life. Keep watching our channel for more NEET foundation classes and TET biology classes.